So just another quick word about working with images and vector shapes is that you can actually use them in combination to create masks. So let's say I were to double click on this image, make sure I'm on the image here, and I'm going to hold down Alt and click and drag to pull out a copy. So Alt, click and drag, I'm going to pull that outside of the frame, and now I have another image to work with. And I am going to use, say, my star tool here. Any shape will do, and I'll pull out a star. And if I place this on top here, you'll see the stars on top. But if I place that beneath the image, and then I select both of those, either by selecting them in the Layers panel or clicking and dragging and making sure that I have both of them. Up here again, we have this sort of crescent moon shape inside of a circle, and this is used as a mask. If you have those two layers selected and you click Use as Mask, you can actually use the vector shape to mask out the image. And you still have independent control over both the star and the image. So if I were to say select the image, I can move that around within the mask. I can scale and stretch and rotate and such to make sure it fits perfectly, as well as say grab the star and I can move that around. I could continue to adjust the star. I could give it more points, say 12, change the angle. So these elements continue to remain editable. And again, just to talk about pages, if I were to say, if I wanted the bird image from our first draft, if I jump up to Pages and select the bird image, if I click Control C to copy the image and jump down to the next page, Control V, I can paste the bird from page to page. And if I were to do that same trick with this bird image, I'll grab the bird and I will grab an ellipse tool and I will place this approximately here with the bird, and I'll just make sure that the ellipse is underneath. In this case, you want the shape you're cropping to be beneath what you are cropping. So I'll select those two again and hit the mask. And now you have the beginnings of making an avatar, and you can continue to move this around. And I'm going to grab this, and I'm going to call this as an avatar. And I can bring that over into our component, scale that appropriately, and you can continue to design out your page.